This video will be about something called binomial coefficients. And again, we have Pascal's triangle, and we're going to give each of these numbers an address. So an address, we call it an address because it gives us something to locate them, to know exactly where they are. And we're going to use this strange notation that looks like it's a big C, and it's going to look like this. We could think of this as a movie ticket or a theater ticket, where the N tells you which row to sit in, and the R is the seat you're sitting in. And the first row is not numbered 1, but it's row 0. And the next one is going to be row 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I get that right? That's 11 rows, so that should be okay. If we look at the 10th row here, it's the same thing with the seats. So the first seat is seat 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And using this ticket is going to give you the value of the seat you're sitting in. So the value of this seat is 70. And we're going to do that by using the row number and the seat number. And the way we do that is that this translates into a formula that looks like this. So n factorial divided by r factorial multiplied with n minus r factorial. I'm not going to explain why, but we'll look at some examples and see that this actually works. For example, let's confirm that this cell here has the value 3. So this is going to be, which row are we talking about? 0, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the first row is 0, so the fourth row is going to be row 3. And this is not the third seat, but it's actually the second seat because the first seat has the number 0. So 0, 1, 2. So this is, these are the parameters or the numbers that we put on this C. And now we know that we need to translate this into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied with 3 minus 2 factorial, which is the same as 3 times 2 times 1, divided by 2 times 1 multiplied with, well, 3 minus 2, that's just 1 factorial, which is 1. So this is going to be 6 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And that's the value we wanted to confirm. What about this cell here, 15? Well, if you looked at the previous video, you would know that this is in row 6. And this is the second seat because the first seat is 0. And this translates into 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied with 6 minus 2 factorial. And we solved that in the previous video, and the answer to this is 15.